this program is called Step to Growth. Coba lagi nih. Yes!
Kota, 7 tahun ke depan saya mau jadi the best trainer.
Tim nomor berapa? Tim 4. One day you have to walk alone. If life is saying you want my shiro, how are you for good? If life is saying you want my shiro,
Stay focused.
Bahwa program ini akan berjalan ke semua. Saya mau ngasih tahu Bapak, kami, saya mungkin untuk yang saya
the louder we wash, the better today will be. The more fun you be, the more we will change. Mau bilang change? Change! Poin ketiga semuanya washnya ke atas tangannya. 3, 2, 1. Wow! Bye everybody, have a good night. Booyah! Thank you so much for stumbling into my YouTube channel. Appreciate it that you watched my videos all the way until now. And if you haven't already, please do make sure you punch that like button at the bottom and also press that share button. At the same time, if you can, you like any of the videos like this also, please do make sure you subscribe to my channel. And it's just right there with the red button. In that, thank you so much. I will see you in the next moment to come. You're still here. My social media platform. If you want to follow me, I forgot.